Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to talk about how to use scripting to totally transform your love life. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm really excited for this video because I love scripting. Scripting is my jam, and scripting can totally transform your love life if you realize what you're exactly doing with scripting. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. My name is Amber Turner. If you do not know who I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and experience and your self-identity. And I'm also the creator of, Manifesting Made Basic. Manifesting Made Basic is the most basic methodology when it comes to transformation and manifesting. So yes, girlfriend, scripting. I love scripting, if you can't tell on this channel. And I want to talk about how scripting can really transform your love life and how it's transformed mine. So I want to talk about why scripting is very powerful and how once you understand exactly what you're doing, how you can then implement it in your personal life and transform your life. So what is scripting? If you do not know what scripting is basically journaling in the future. And when we think about what scripting is, we're coming from the vision. We're scripting from the place of the vision or our dream. And so we are scripting in real time and actually writing in our journal in real time from our vision and what we're trying to manifest. Why is that so important and powerful? Because anytime that you're scripting and you're scripting from that vision, you are thinking as if you are thinking from the dream or the vision. So that, my friends, is the thing that you need to understand, is thinking from. Now, why is this important? Because as you are thinking from the vision in which you wish to experience your ideal relationship, your ideal marriage, or anything like that, when you are thinking from that, you are developing a thought pattern. You are developing a thought pattern from the vision. So what creates our reality is the thought patterns in which we are experiencing. So I want to talk about thought patterns and I want to talk about beliefs, because once you understand this can totally transform your life, but really transform your love life. So your beliefs, and I think a lot of people, especially when you're in the manifestation space, we understand that beliefs create our reality. And this is what I talk about in You Choose Your Outfit. Your beliefs, and in Manifesting Made Basic too, your beliefs create your reality. But what are your beliefs? Your beliefs are a collective of thought patterns. I want you to hear me. Your beliefs about love, about relationship, is a collective of thought patterns. So if you have a belief that love is hard, you have a collective of thought patterns that create the belief of love is hard. And so when we script, we are training our brain to think in a certain thought pattern that's going to shift our reality. I hope this is making sense. And so oftentimes when it comes to transforming your love life, we currently have beliefs around love, about beliefs around men, beliefs about relationship dynamics. And so our beliefs, again, are a collective of our thought patterns. And so why scripting is so powerful is because you are actually practicing a different thought pattern. And so anytime that you can script from the vision, you are training your thoughts to think in a certain thought pattern that's going to help shift those beliefs. That's why scripting is so powerful, and really can transform any part of your life, but definitely your love life. And so when it comes to transforming your love life, we first think as if, which is scripting. We are thinking from the vision. So scripting is a powerful way to think from the vision. Affirmations do it as well, but scripting is just, in my opinion, a more powerful way to think as if. And then we use our imaginal acts to feel as if. So once we're thinking as if, which is more of the masculine energy, the feminine energy, which is the feeling as if, follows. So we think as if, and then we feel as if. And those two, which is what I talk about in Manifesting Made Basic, the thinking and the feeling in conjunction is your energetic state, transforms your reality. It transforms you, but then it transforms your perspective and your reality, however you want to view it. That's how you transform your love life. And scripting is such a powerful way to think as if. And again, think as if, feel as if. Those two in conjunction changes your energetic state and then shifts your reality. But first, you have to think as if. Change those thought patterns, and beliefs are a collective of your thought patterns. So we're training our mind to think as if. We're shifting these thought patterns and in turn shifting our beliefs, and then we're going to start feeling different, and that transforms our love life. I hope that makes sense. And when I figured this out in my own life and I started teaching it in Manifesting Made Basic, this, my friends, is a game changer. That's why scripting is so powerful, because you're training yourself from the vision, the dream. And so that's why scripting is so powerful and can transform your love life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe. I do videos on manifestation, feminine energy, spirituality, all that jazz. So if you like that kind of thing, I think you'll like it here. So definitely subscribe, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.